Hello everyone, I am Anubhav. Today's lesson for class 9, A Truly Beautiful Mind. I have already seen the first up to 6th paragraph on the YouTube page. So let's start the 7th paragraph. He also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Melba Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. So, other than maths and physics, Albert Einstein liked one of his fellow students. Her name was Mileva Merrick. He thought that she was very clever, sharp, and intelligent. The young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. So they met at the University of Zurich. Mileva Maric belonged to Serbia. That is why she is called a Serb. She came from Serbia to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few universities in Europe which gave degrees to female students. Einstein saw in her ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and the university with whom he was constantly at odds. So, ally means a friend or an associate. Philistine means a word used disapprovingly to talk about people who don't like art, literature, or music. To be at odd means to be in the opposition of someone. Einstein felt that Mileva was a friend because she also liked art, literature, or music. Both share this common interest in art, literature, or music. In those days, having interest in art, literature, or music was not considered to be good. So, those people who are interested in art, literature, or music are called Philistines. Albert Einstein's family and many people in the university were not in the favor of this. So, against such people, Albert Einstein and Mileva Merrick's unity helped them face the situation. The couple fell in love. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words, mixing science with tenderness. Wrote Einstein, "How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work and relativity to a victorious conclusion." So it means Albert Einstein and Mileva Merrick fell in love and they exchanged love letters to express their feelings. They used to write such kinds of letters where they used to mix science with their feelings. At one instance, Einstein talked about his scientific invention and said that he would be very proud on that day when they was finally conclude their paper on the theory of relativity. Next, in 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. So it means in the year 1900, Albert Einstein was 21 years of age and he completed his graduation from the university but was employed. He worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. So here children, patent means a document which gives the rights of an invention to an inventor. Understand? So from 1900 to 1902, Albert Einstein was working as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons also. Finally, in 1902, he got a job in Bonn. Bonn is a city in Germany. He got the job of a technical officer in a patent office in Bonn. While he was supposed to be accessing other people's inventions, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. So it means Einstein was supposed to check the inventions done by other people and give them a patent. On the other hand, secretly he was making his own inventions too. है ना? Okay. He is said to have jokingly called his desk there at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. So it means Einstein later said the desk on which he worked was the Office of Theoretical Physics because there only he started working on his inventions. Next. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Here absolute means measurement in itself, not in relation to anything else. है ना? मैं फिर से दिखा देता हूँ. Measured in itself, not in relation to anything else. So in the year 1905, Einstein published his first paper. It was a special theory of relativity. In this publication, it was written that the measurement of time and distance is not absolute. It depended on something else. So, indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. So it means, according to theory, if there are two clocks and both are moving, they will not show the same time. One clock will move faster than other. है ना? Okay. From this followed the world's most famous formula, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. तो इसने लिखा है E is equal to mc का square. In this mathematical equation is transfer energy m for mass and c for the speed of the light in a vacuum about 3 lakh km per second. So that means this theory of relativity gave us this basic formula of physics. E is equal to mc square. E stands for energy, m for mass of the object and c for the speed of the light in a vacuum. Vacuum means where there is no air and the speed of the light in vacuum is almost 3 lakh km per second. Einstein said that when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. When you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. So, a person would feel the timing differently. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means starting to fail. है ना? Okay. Though he was solving the complicated problems in physics for the world, his personal life started becoming problematic, है ना. He started to fail in his personal life. Okay. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. Albert Einstein wanted to marry Mileva Merrick soon after he finished his studies, but his mother, Einstein, was against this. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. Anna? His mother thought that Mileva Merrick, who was 3 years elder to Albert Einstein, was very old for him. Anna? Okay. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. So that means his mother thought Mileva was very intelligent to be a wife, and she told Einstein that Mileva was also like a book and was similar to him. As his mother was against this marriage, he cancelled his wedding with Mileva. Okay. So next class we will read the part 11 up to next. Thank you everyone.